You mean the song that makes us so happy?
Yeah.
We could
Dance! Hello and welcome to Skyline Gang Fans ATM how-to video. In this video today, we're going to be showing you guys how to withdraw cash at Barclays. Now, obviously, we are at Lakeside Shopping Centre and there is a Barclays ATM near McDonald's on the first floor. So it's actually outside of McDonald's and there's a cash machine there. You got note machine and then Barclays one. We will be using the Barclays one and we're going to show you guys how to withdraw cash. So we're going to head over there to Lakeside Shopping Centre and show you guys how to withdraw money. So here I am at Lakeside and we're going to show you how to make a withdrawal at Barclays cash machine. So we're going to go to the cash point and then we're going to show you how to withdraw and what card you need to use. So this is it. This is the Barclays cash machine. This is obviously not a Barclays branch. This is obviously near McDonald's right here. Now, any bank cards will work, 100%, no problem at all. So we're gonna obviously use my actual card I mainly use, which is my Santander card. That works which is a link card capability. And then if you're Barclays, if you've got a Barclays card, you've got more option if you have it. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Insert your card. Enter your PIN. Make sure no one's looking. And then you get an option that's got a balance on receipt, cash only, and PIN services or return card. Now, the receipt's obviously not available, but if you had a receipt, balance on zip, or balance zip, then you've got an option there. But for now, we're going to do cash. Now, you can choose the amount. You can select the money for set for. I'm only paying for a tenner, but when if there was a receipt available on that one, you've got an option for say would you like an advance zip, and then you've got an option to say yes or no. But for now, I don't have it, so I'm just going to tap a tenner. Take your card out. And then take your money. And that's how to withdraw a cash point at Barclays. There you go. Nice and straightforward. So there, to recap, you basically put your card in, enter your PIN, then cash only, choose the amount, and yeah, I know we had we didn't get an option about advance slips because we haven't got any. Maybe haven't run out of receipt papers, but if there was a advance slip available, if it had receipts available, then it will have forward there. Would you like an advance slip when you're withdrawing? You can select yes or no. But obviously we didn't get that, obviously, because there wasn't any available. And then you take your card and then wait for money to come and then get your cash. It's a very simple step. We will be doing as well, we definitely will be doing it as well. We will be doing how to make a deposit at Barclays, and that's coming up as well. So go ahead and check it out. If you do not know how to make a deposit at Barclays, then it's the right time to show you it. We'll be back with more of that in the future, but for now, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, turn the notification on so you never miss out what's new. Thanks for watching. My name is Jake. This is Skyline Gang Fan, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
my God!